welcome. Today I will show you how to make a double crochet. So let's start with the slip knot. Insert your hook and let's chain 10. I will show you just a 10 stitch pattern. For the double crochet, we will add 2 more chains to start our row. Let's start in the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and put your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up 1 loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. We will then yarn over and pull through 2, bringing it back up, yarn over and pull through 2 more. This is your double crochet. For a lot of patterns, when you start, the chain 3 will count as a double crochet. So this will be 1 stitch, and this will already be your 2nd stitch. So let's practice some more double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Keep practicing until the end. And this is our last stitch here. So if you look at our row, we will have 10 double crochet. The first one being the chain 3. So there is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. To do a second row, we will start with the chain 3. So let's do chain 3 and turn. So this will be considered our first stitch, so we will go into the next stitch. So right in there, underneath both strands of yarn, and do the double crochet. Take this all the way to the end, and this will give you another 10 stitches. This next one will be stitch 9, and then stitch 10 we're going to put on the top of the chain 3 from the round below. So 1, 2, 3 in that top chain. Insert your hook and do your double crochet. So there you have 10 double crochet in each row. Let's do one more row. So chain 3 and turn. Again, going into the next stitch, not that first one, but the next one, and starting our double crochet. This is a great stitch to do. Make it a little bit wider and you can make a nice long scarf. The double crochet is used in almost every pattern that you will come across. It's a great basic for learning how to crochet. And the most important part in a lot of patterns is making sure you have the same amount of stitches in each row. So again, let's put that double crochet in the top of the chain 3 space. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a little bit today and continue to watch my channel. See you next time. Bye.